Sithokozani bogogo nomkhulusi wasendoda lesugogo bathini mbathi. Kunento engifuna ukuyicacisa lana. Esiye sizwe ikhulunywa kuthiwa ukubanga zidalwa. Lapho idalwa zikubanga khona ilo ngapha lezi zasekhaya koma wakho ziyakubanga zikubanga nalezi zasekhaya kini. Enye yezizathu ezinkulu ezenza ukuthi ugcine ubanga zidalwa ukuthi uma wakho uthe mekhulelwe ubaba wakho wazama ngakho konke okusemandleni ukuthi awuhlawulwe ukhokhwe lento ekuthiwa ama damages. Kuye kube khona ke inkomo yokugeza amagceke, inkomo kamama, inkomo yenhlawulo, kuyadependa ke ngokwegodi ngokwamakhatsha ahlukahlukene. Ingakho ngingathandi kakhulu ukuthi ngigxile ngokuthi ngesiZulu yenziwa kanjani into kanti kufanele sivumele ukuthi si-accommodate amanye ama-cultures. Kodwa ke mase kuthiwa ke manjena ancestors are fighting for you. One of the reasons ancestors will do that ukuthi ubaba wakho wenze ngakho konke kusemandleni ukuthi avele kini ehlawule, but kini they wanted to prove a point yokuthi mhlawumbe ubaba wakho abasamfuni or abamthandi, so they want nothing to do with ubaba wakho. Two, ngesikhathi kufanele ukuthi uhlawulwe wena bokade uma wakho nobaba wakho bekade sebehlukene, then uma wakho wasezama ke manje ukudlala i-hard to get. Hey, I want nothing to do with him. Hey, what, he's useless, or what. That is one of the reason ekugcineni ugcina usubanga zidalwa, because according to ancestors bazothi thina sesikwenze konke, now idlozi lakuphi lasekhaya kini. Bazithi hayi thina sekuyafana nokuthi lengane sesiyihlawulile ngoba thina ngesikhathi inkomo sinazo sifuna ukuzohlawula nanqaba nina. Kwesinye isikhathi uma wakho ekhulele wabaleka nawe usesiswini noma useyingane, kwalahleka i-connection, and kulahleka i-connection. One, ubaba wakho bekengazi ukuthi ukhona wena. Two, bekazi ukuthi ukhona wena. Three, bekafuna ukwenza okuthize wangakwazi ukukwenza because of there was a connection yokulahlekelana. Egcineni idlozi lizothi nathi owethu, and then bazolwa. So xabana amadlozi manje ayakubanga bathi laba awenzanga lutho, basho bakwabomalume. Laba bakini baqhamuka bathi no, sasifisa ukukwenza, besizokwenza kanjani singafunwa, besingenzwa kanjani singazi ukuthi kuphi, besingenzwa kwenza kanjani ingane yethu uxabana kwayo nonenengane kwafaka phakathi